Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English words. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into the word battle. This is a B1 level noun that means a fight between opposing sides. It's a word full of energy and conflict, often used to describe physical or metaphorical struggles. Let's break it down. A battle is commonly used to describe a fight in wars or competitions, but it can also represent a struggle against difficulties or challenges in life. For example, you might hear, "The soldiers prepared for a fierce battle at dawn," or "She faced a tough battle against illness, but remained hopeful." Now, let's explore some synonyms. Words like conflict, clash, and struggle can be used similarly. For instance, instead of saying, "The battle lasted all night," you could say, "The clash between the armies lasted all night." Similarly, "He fought a personal struggle to overcome fear" could replace battle in a more emotional context. On the other hand, antonyms like peace, harmony, and agreement highlight the absence of conflict. You might say, "After years of war, the nations finally found peace," or "Instead of arguing, they reached an agreement on the issue." In everyday life, battle can be used to describe challenges we face. For example, "I'm in a daily battle to wake up on time," or "The team's battle to secure a win was inspiring." It also appears in expressions like "battle it out," which means to compete or argue intensely, as in "The candidates will battle it out during the debate." Here are a few more examples to see how versatile this word is. "The general planned his strategy for the upcoming battle. Winning this competition will be a real battle, but I'm ready for it. She fought a battle against self-doubt and emerged stronger." That's all for today's exploration of battle. We learned its definition, synonyms, antonyms, and how to use it in various contexts. Thank you for listening to Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before we go, here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using the word battle and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read your creative examples. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the beauty of words.